Monani guys, welcome back to yet another video on episode 4 of Izingane, season 2 of Izingane Zesthembu. Remember Mpumelelo surprises Utirelo by coming to see her in Rustenburg. They go out to a restaurant to just have cute family vibes and eat. So Utirelo brings up the topic yokuthi phela Mpumelelo. You said when I have the child, you are gonna get me well, this is what Mpumelelo said according to my memory. He said he was gonna get Utirelo an apartment and he was gonna get a nanny. But Utirelo says in this episode that Mpumelelo said that he was gonna take the child and stay with the child and that he was gonna get a nanny. So it looks like Utirelo wants to go back to school. And you know what, my girl? I am happy for you about that. Like, you know what? Invest in yourself because this man can drop you like a hot potato anytime because he has his own vision to fulfill. So anyway, it looks like Utirelo wants to go back to school, and it looks like Umpumelelo promised her certain things, and those certain things have not come to fruition. They have not come to pass. I mean, her baby is 8 months, 6 or 8 months now, and none of those things seem to be moving. But my question is, you guys, Utirelo Mege City, you said you're going to stay with the child. Uphi, guys? Where? Are you telling me that that Umpumelelo was telling Utirelo that Umayeni must take in a second child? Hayibo, guys. Waze wavelele Umayeni. Hayibo, guys, imagine Umayeni. Mayeni has her own stresses. Mayeni is going through her own polygamy there. They want to bring another child. Let me not say they, let me say Umpumelelo. Because if Tirelo is saying that Umpumelelo said he's going to stay with the child, where was he going to stay with the child? Because if he stays in Jozi, probably the environment is not conducive for a child. He took Viola as his first daughter, or him and Viola as his first daughter. He took the child to Mzumbe, so the child, Umhlopekazi, stays with Umayin. So if Utirelo is saying that Umpumelelo said that he's going to live with the child, he's clearly saying that he was going to take the child to Umayin. Aibo, guys, I'm just thinking, Umayeni, that means she is going to have a crash of just taking care of Mpumenelo's children. Like, at some point, she's going to have to draw the line. And I think one thing about Umayeni, she is definitely going to set the record straight. Because there's no way, guys, that all these children that Mpumelelo is going to be having is going to be taking them to his mother, all of them. Uvuyokazi has a second baby now. I'm wondering what's going to happen with that or what's happening with that because as a parent, in my head, especially if your children are of the same father, like it's not a nice thing to have your children grow apart or to grow up in different environments, yet they're of the same father and mother. It's gonna just give off the vibes that the first child is much more loved than the second child. So I'm curious to know if for you guys' second child, if they're going to take him to Umayeni to stay with Umayeni as well. At this point, Musa, since Musa is the one who's pushing the soul vision, Gampumen, at this point, Musa just needs to ask Umayeni to resign from her job and pay her a full-time salary because what is this? Because she's going to be taking care of all those children. Or else what's going to happen, you guys? Especially with Vuyokazi, she's in a much more awkward situation because she has a second child. So Utirelo Angazi, I don't even know, you guys, if the child is staying in Mzumbe already because I noticed when I went to Utirelo's child's page, there was pictures of Umhlopekazi and Usingabako, and they bond so well, you guys. They get along so well, those two kids. So I don't know if those pictures are of maybe when Singabako is Tirelo's son. I don't know if those pictures are coming from when Usingabako visited or either if he's staying there. But they have such a beautiful bond, and it just makes me sad that the parents don't get along. You know, because sometimes when parents don't get along, guys, parents can be bitter. So, hey guys, angazi to Mayeni, hey, Mayeni shame. I feel sorry for her. I feel sorry for her for having a son. Like Umpumelelo, someone said, like, what must she have done to God to have had a son like Umpumelelo. And I don't know you guys, but anyway, tell me about this whole thing of what do you think is going to happen? Do you think Umayan is going to even agree to take care of all of these grandkids? Or what must happen, you guys? But Musa needs to make a plan because he's the one who put this whole idea of polygamy into Pumelelo's head. And there was no way that he was going to lead a polygamy in the correct way when he feels like he needs to test women out to see if they qualify to be in what position in his life. Anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.